Mom, look at this. Look at this picture.
What is it, Mia?
It is a puppy. He is very cute.
Yes, he is cute. But a puppy is hard work.
I can do the hard work, Mom. Wide work, Mom. I can feed the puppy every day.
You are only 7, Mia. Can you wake up early?
Yes, I can. I can wake up very early.
No, you can't. You can't even wake up for school.
Yes, I can, Leo. I can use an alarm clock.
A puppy needs to go outside. Can you walk the puppy?
Yes, I can walk him in the yard.
Why?
But you can't walk him in the street alone.
Leo is right. You can't go to the street alone.
Then Leo can help me.
Me? I can help, but I want a big dog.
No, a small puppy. We can play with him.
What are you talking about?
Dad, can we get a puppy, please?
A puppy? Puppies can chew on shoes and furniture.
I can hide your shoes. He can't chew them.
He can chew your toys, Mia.
No, he can't. I can clean my room every day.
Can you really clean your room every day?
Yes, I can. I can show you right now.
What about a cat? Cats can use a litter box.
No, I am allergic. I can't breathe near cats.
That is true. Leo can't be near cats.
So we can get a dog. Dogs can learn tricks.
Who can teach the dog tricks?
I can teach him to sit and stay.
And I can teach him to fetch the ball.
But a puppy can't stay home alone all day.
Right. We work, and you go to school. We can't watch him.
Grandpa can watch him. Grandpa is at home.
Can Grandpa run fast?
Puppies can run very fast.
Grandpa can't run fast anymore. He is too old.
If we get a puppy, he needs a safe place to play.
He can play in the backyard. It is big.
But the fence is broken. He can escape.
Leo is right. A small puppy can squeeze through that hole.
Dad, can you fix the fence?
Yes, I can fix it this weekend.
I can help you, Dad. We can use my toy hammer.
We can't use toy tools, Leo. We need real tools.
Let's go outside and look at the yard right now.
Look. The grass is soft. He can run everywhere.
But he can dig holes. Mom, puppies can ruin the garden.
Yes, they can. That is a big problem.
No, he won't. I can train him not to dig.
You don't know how to train a dog. You can't even tie your shoes.
Yes, I can. I can tie them very fast now.
Okay, stop arguing. A puppy is a family choice. We all must help.
Exactly. I can buy the dog food, but I can't wash him.
And I can brush his hair every night.
It sounds like you two can handle a lot of the work.
So, can we get a puppy today, Dad?
Not today, Mia. We can't rush this decision.
We need to see if you can really take care of a dog.
How can we prove it?
You can practice. We have a test for you two.
A test? I can pass any test.
Wait here. I can bring the puppy from the kitchen. Here he is. Hi.
A flour bag? It can't bark or run.
But you can carry it, and you must protect it.
Okay, I can carry him. His name is Flowery. Oh, he is heavy. I can't lift him alone.
I can help you, Mia. We can carry him together.
Good teamwork. Now, can you walk him around the yard?
Yes, we can.
Come on, Flowery. Let's go for a walk.
Wait. Flowery needs to pee. What can you do?
I can wait here with him. Good boy, Flowery.
Now, remember, you can't leave him alone in the living room.
We can take turns watching him. I can go first.
You two are working together well. You can be a great team.
You protected the flower bag all afternoon. Great job.
I think they are ready, Mark. What do you think?
I agree. You can have a puppy.
Yay! Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
This is awesome.
We can get a dog.
We can go to the animal shelter tomorrow.
I can find the biggest, fluffiest dog there.
No, a small puppy. Remember, we can share the choice.
We can look at all the dogs and decide together.
Yes, we can find the perfect family pet.
It is time for the vocabulary review.
Ca.
Today we learned how to use can and can't.
Ha.
Number 1. I can. I can feed the puppy every day.
Number 2. You can't. You can't walk him in the street alone. You must keep him safe.
Number 3. Can you? Can you wake up early?
Number 4. We can. We can find the perfect family pet.